Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. Recently I got a request from one of you to create a look for Pohela Falgun, and this is what I came up with. This orange, pink and yellow halo cut crease eye look and paired it with a beautiful nude lipstick. If you do not know what Pôhela Falgun is the first day of spring and it is celebrated throughout Bangladesh as well as in some parts of India. People generally tend to wear colorful looks like pinks, oranges, yellows on their eyes and lot of flower jewelries to celebrate the beautiful season spring. Before starting, if you are new to the channel, then hi, I am Nita. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos here on my channel. If those things interest you, then please consider subscribing. It will mean a lot to me. If you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Your support means a lot to me. So yeah, without further blabbering, let's get started. As always, I'm starting with my brows first. For that, I'm taking my Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony and I'm just drawing the borders on my brows first. Then I'll be filling them up using small hair-like strokes. Recently, I shared with you my updated eyebrow routine. I will mention the link in the description bar down below, so please go ahead and check that out. In that video, I shared with you so many tips and tricks to achieve perfect brows each time you do your own makeup. So make sure to check that video out. Now I'm just combing my brows with a spoolie so that the product is well saturated. Now I am taking my MILANI Conceal Plus Perfect Concealer in the shade 135 Medium Beige and I am just cleaning up the borders on my brows so that my brows look well shaped and defined. Whenever I'm doing a full glam look, this step is must for me. It makes a huge difference on the way my brows look. The brush that I'm using is from Pune store. This is their lip brush. I'm applying the same concealer on my eyelids to prime my eyelids for eyeshadows that is coming up next. I'm blending out the concealer with a damp sponge. This particular sponge is from Wet n Wild. Next, I am taking my Coty Airspun Translucent Extra Coverage Loose Powder and with this highlighter brush from L Cosmetics, I'm just setting the concealer so that it does not crease. I'm applying a little bit of sticky tape right here to get that sharp edge. Now I am taking this bright yellow shade from my Morphe Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette and with this Morphe M441 brush I am applying it as my transition color. This is a beautiful matte bright yellow shade and I'm just slowly building it up to avoid any kind of patchiness. If you take a lot of product at a time, then it may become patchy and you do not want that. So my suggestion is take little by little product and just build it up. Next, I am taking this beautiful bright orange shade called My Man and with this Morphe JS15 brush, I am applying it on my crease. Actually, slightly above my crease because I have hooded eyes. And if you do not have hooded eyes, then you can apply the color directly onto your crease. And I'm doing the same thing here. That means I am slowly building it up because I do not want any kind of patchiness. And I'm applying minimum pressure. That way the color will blend beautifully. And as you guys can see, I am blending out the edges at the same time to have that nice gradient effect. Now I'm taking Tipsy Girl, which is a beautiful bright pink color, and with the same brush I am first applying it on my outer V area, then on my inner corner, and then I'll be connecting them through my crease to create that halo effect. And again I'm just slowly building it up because I do not want any kind of patchiness. I'm just connecting those two corners through my crease. It's done. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease using the same lip brush from Pune store and same concealer from MILANI. If you are a beginner and if you are in a hurry, you can totally skip this step and you can apply the lid shade directly. But if you cut your crease, then it just looks a little more crispy, a little more defined. I'm just reapplying the concealer. Now I'm just diffusing the borders of the concealer so that blending becomes easier later on. If you do not do this particular step, then it will be really hard to blend later. Taking that bright pink shade, I'm just diffusing the borders to create a smooth gradient effect. Now I'm taking this beautifully pressed pigment. This is a beautiful yellow gold shade and I'm applying it right here on the middle part of my eyelid. And as you guys can see, I'm just tapping my brush. I'm not sweeping my brush at all, because if you rub or sweep your brush, then the pigment won't apply nicely because it's a pressed formula. Now taking the pink shade again, I'm just blending out the edges to have that nice smooth gradient effect. Now I'm just drawing a wing using my Wet n Wild eyeliner in the shade black, and this particular eyeliner has a felt tip. So if you apply your eyeliner on top of a pressed pigment or glitter, then a felt tip eyeliner will not be that helpful. That's why I switched to an eyeliner brush. This brush is again from Morphe. Before continuing with my eye makeup further, I'm going to finish my base and then I will return to my eye makeup again. For that, first I'm taking my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer and I'm just priming my entire face and neck. I already moisturized my face about half an hour ago. This particular primer is my absolute favorite. It moisturizes your skin. It makes your skin look so much more smoother, and it also helps with the longevity of your makeup. Now I'm color correcting using my L.A.Girl Pro Conceal Orange Color Corrector, and I'm applying it wherever I have pigmentations, dark spots, acne spots and dark circles. And now I'm just blending it out using my finger. It will help to neutralize all those darkness underneath, and your foundation, your concealer will not look grayish in color. If you do not have such problematic areas, then you can totally skip this step. Now I'm taking my Wet n Wild Dewy foundation in the shade Desert Beige, and I'm just buffing it in using the same damp sponge. This is again one of my favorite foundations out there. It gives you medium to full coverage. It blends beautifully. Though it's a dewy finish foundation, it lasts on me for about 8 to 10 hours, which I absolutely love, and it's the perfect foundation for people with dry skin. For highlighting and concealing, I'm using the same MILANI concealer and I'm applying it underneath my eyes, on my chin, on my cupid bow, on the sides of my mouth, down the bridge of my nose, as well as on the center of my forehead. And I'm blending it out again using the same damp sponge. This concealer is, oh my god, it is the best drugstore concealer that I have ever tried. This is full coverage, it does not crease, it lasts all day long, and they have tons of shades to choose from. And if you are getting married or if you are looking for a good drugstore concealer, definitely give it a shot. This concealer is just so beautiful and it's my absolute favorite. Now I'm taking my Coty Airspun loose powder and I'm just setting my under eyes as well as my smile lines using the same damp sponge. I'm taking my Maybelline SuperStay powder foundation in the shade 312 Golden and I'm just setting my entire makeup. I'm going to finish the rest of my eye makeup. For that, first I'm tightlining my eyes using my Jordana Easy Eyeliner Pencil in the shade Jet Black. You can use any kajal pencil or gel eyeliner that you have in your collection. I'm just smudging out my entire lower lash line using that bright pink shade. And the brush that I'm using is from Pune store. Taking that bright orange shade, I'm applying it on the border of the pink shade just to tie the look together. I'm just highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners using my OFRA Cosmetics Rodeo Drive highlighter, which I will be using for my the final look. I got my sari on, my jewelry on, and of course flowers. I truly love the way how the entire look came together. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so please go ahead and check that out. For your convenience, I'm listing all the products, their purchase link, their shades and everything in the description bar down below as well. So please go ahead and check that out. So yeah, see you soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye and take care. Mwah. Bye.